Hi everyone, Linda here. Okay, this is a package from Cat Han. I have 15 minutes to go through it and stick stuff in it. I'm going to open it up, and I have a pile of stuff here to be recycled. Hope I have enough. Hers is so skinny, mine was so fat. Look how nice and neat it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, alright Cat, can I just take a quick look through maybe? Oh, I better not. I'll just get started. No, Sophie's running around like a maniac right now, trying to keep the light on because my light is very limited right now because tomorrow's a day, but I want to get it started. Okay, so I have 15 minutes. I should probably, this is a craft bond glue. Let's see, make sure that's working. I have my ATG gun. I'm going to put some glue there in case I have to use my finger if it's not working. Lay that on its side. Get it started. Here we go. Alright, I even have a piece of birch wood. And I think I'm going to put that up here. Well, let's just see how it works. This is from our trees up north. Some of this I will fast forward through. Some of it I'm just going to get going. Or some of it I'll talk through. Okay. So these are like my cleanup papers from when I was working this week. This one I should have used. And from my pocket letters and just things I've been finding on my desk. So I'm not going to put a lot on each page right away. Hopefully I'll get something on every page and get to go back. Oh, this is going to make me crazy. I'm having technical difficulty. That's not working either. This was my paper, cleanup paper underneath, and I was testing out the heat embossing. I should introduce some other color to this page. Alright, there we are, 15 minutes, that's the timer. Okay, Cat, I hope you can do something with these. Oops, stop. Okay, let's see, this is what we have. Oh boy, I got a little birch and some like flowery type things and a little butterfly. This page has dragonfly and a bug and some corrugated paper. This one has lace and paper and a butterfly. Oh God, Kat, I hope you can do something with these. Like a starburst, some paper, a doily, a meditative lady. I like that page the best. Some stamps, graphic 45, and then some paper and a ribbon. Oh, I'm sorry, Kat, I don't know what I'm doing here. Sun and butterfly, flower. You might want to stamp over these whole pages. Some paper and another butterfly. You can kind of tear some of this off if you want to. Might be better, I don't know. This was on an envelope this morning. This is some tissue paper and some pattern paper. One of my fairies that was left on my desk, and some book paper. These are some old vintage stamps. A stamped image that I had on my desk. Some stencils I was trying out with the plaster. Another pattern piece sprayed with Lindy's. Just a piece of paper. Well, actually, it's part of my Pocket Pals wipe up paper. This was heat embossed flower, and this is some wipe up paper from Sprays. And this is a plaster butterfly and some other papers, and that's it. So back it comes to you, Kat. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.